Good evening, everybody. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. You may notice something different. This morning, they came and moved the shed, which is going to be our new store, over there. It was bitter cold this morning. Well, that's pretty, though. This morning was bitter cold. It was brutal out here. Then we moved this over to where it's going to stay. I have a lot of leveling to do when the snow melts off, but at least we got it here. It was quite a job. Unfortunately, the path was perfectly wide enough. It was great. Everything worked out well to get it out here. But I'm going to have to do a lot of work. This weekend's supposed to warm up some. I think actually in retrospect, looking at the ground now, it could have come forward a little ways because it's a little bit on a slope. But I'm going to have it on blocks. It is on blocks. And it's going to stay on blocks. I'll have 16 cement blocks underneath, and they left me some shims. They happen to have some shims. They left me some shims, and so this weekend, when the snow melts and I've got solid ground to deal with, it's going to be 40-something tomorrow and 55 Sunday. It's supposed to be sunny most of the weekend. Right now it's bitter cold. So I've got, there's quite a slope. It's going to be a lot of work. But I can get a jack under there, a car jack, and it's not heavy. It's just a hollow shell, and one layer, so it's just a thin hollow shell. And then we can start getting stuff in there. And that was this morning, and then we went and started packing some stuff up today, and brought a load home. So each day I'm going to try to bring a load of stuff. I can't put anything in there yet, though, so we're limited until I get that done. That really is a bad slope. I guess we're going to find out this weekend. But that's it for today, guys. That's it. It was all about the shed and moving today. So a very brief video, a little update, and the big work is going to come this weekend. So talk to you all later.